Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Yellow armpit stains will disappear. All you need is a brilliant homemade stain remover. Apply it to the shirt under the arms, and the yellow stains will vanish. See how to make a sweat stain remover. This will be your new ally in the fight against stains. Not only does it work effectively, but it also leaves a fresh scent and is environmentally friendly. To start, you need a tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in a bowl. Baking soda neutralizes odors and absorbs oils. Add a tablespoon of salt. Salt has antibacterial properties and absorbs moisture. These are the ingredients that effectively remove sweat stains. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover due to its bleaching and disinfectant properties. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Simply mix these ingredients to get a strong stain remover. It will tackle even the toughest sweat stains. Now apply the mixture directly to the stains. Every stain must be covered with the mixture. Leave it on for half an hour, or even longer. After this time, soak the shirt in a bowl of hot water. You'll see the stains disappear. Finally, just wash the shirt with the rest of your white laundry. This way, your favorite clothes will look like new. Give your clothes a second life with this simple solution. A regular washing machine can also dry clothes. Every washing machine has such a function. The laundry can be dry, like after taking it out of the dryer. If you haven't used this function yet, it's high time to start. However, you don't always have to use it. Traditional air drying of laundry also has its advantages if done correctly. Before learning how to dry laundry in the washing machine, see how to air dry clothes properly at home. If you position the drying rack parallel to the radiator, hang shorter garments closest to it. Hang longer items on the next bars. On the last ones, hang the longest or largest items. This way, the warm air from the radiator will gradually reach each piece. When you set the drying rack with its shorter side facing the radiator, hang the longest and largest clothes on the middle bars. The outer ones should have shorter items. This arrangement helps clothes dry better. For the next method, you'll need a bed sheet. Hang your clothes with the shortest items facing the radiator. Cover the entire drying rack, including the radiator, with the bed sheet. This makeshift tent will speed up the drying process. Another way to dry clothes faster involves using a towel. Lay the item you want to dry quickly on a towel. The towel should be dry. Roll the clothing with the towel and wring it well. Unroll it, and the clothing will be much drier. Often it's enough to just iron it, and it's ready. Let us know which city you're watching us from. It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. Do your laundry, but don't take out the clothes immediately. Instead, add a regular towel to the drum. It should be fluffy. If you have space in the washing machine, you can even add 2. Now just set the washing machine to spin, preferably at the highest speed. Dry towels will absorb all the moisture from the clothes. After the washing cycle is complete, the laundry will be as if it came out of the dryer. If you want dry clothes, set the spin to the highest speed already in the washing cycle. Subsequent spins with dry towels will be even more effective. Tip for washing shoes in the washing machine. Whenever I wash shoes in the washing machine, I always add one more thing to the drum. This prevents them from getting damaged. Thanks to this, washing them in the machine is no problem. You don't have to wash sneakers or sports shoes by hand. It's a tedious and time-consuming task. With such footwear, like sneakers or other sports shoes, the washing machine handles it perfectly, especially when the sports shoes are white. Even if the washing machine doesn't have a program for washing sports shoes, you can do it without worry. You can wash most of such shoes and fabric footwear in the machine, but not leather ones. This trick is also perfect for old sports shoes, especially white ones that you were thinking of throwing away. Wash them in the machine, and you'll surely still wear them. When washing shoes in the machine, choose a program for delicate fabrics and the lowest temperature, maximum 40 degrees. The best part is that you can easily wash even just one pair of shoes, and you can spin them without any problems. However, choose the lowest spin speed, put the shoes in the washing machine, and add one more thing. A towel is best, preferably a thick terry one. Put it in together with the shoes for washing. You can even use 2 towels. Then it will fulfill its role even better. The towel prevents the shoes from moving too much in the drum. The shoes won't rub against each other and the inside of the washing machine edges. With towels in the drum, you can easily spin the shoes without any worries. If you have laundry bags, you can place the shoes in them. Then washing them in the machine will be less invasive. Did you know about this towel trick? Do you wash shoes in the washing machine? Let me know in the comments. Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed one blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag.